Hi, in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to work with shipping, how to set up shipping, how to set the rates of shipping in your Shopify store. Without wasting time, let's come to the computer screen. Here is the dashboard of my Shopify store and I have to go to the shipping section. For this, you have to click setting and here you will find the option shipping and deliveries. Here we go. Now at this time, my customer would not be able to check out because I do not have any shipping zone, any shipping setup, any shipping rate at this time. Let's come and do it. Here you will find a shipping option and you have to create the shipping zones, and for every zone you have to set up some prices. For example, here is the journal shipping and I have to manage this. In journal, you will have all the products by default, and now I'm going to create the shipping zones. Create this. For example, for my country, I am going to type here. I'm going to, here is it. Now my shipping zone has created. Now I will put the rates for this shipping zone. At rate, I'm going to offer free deliveries across this shipping zone. I have to name the rate and I have to put the prices. Prices is 0. Done. Now my first zone has created and the rate for this zone has also created. Now I'm going to create another zone. Let me select the Asia and I am going to name it Asia. Done. And now I will put the rates for Asia. Now Asia rates, and for example I'm going to put 500 RS for Asian zones. Now you have created two zones where you want to ship, where you want to market your products. One is Pakistan and one is Asia. Now we have created two shipping zones and we have created the rates for these shipping zones. After setting it up, you have to save. Here we go. Now our shipping has set and we have to go back. Here we go. Now we have a journal profile, and in journal profile we have rates for Asia and Pakistan zone. If you wanna create more profiles, for example, I'm going to put another profile like UK, and I'm going to add product to UK, like I'm going to ship or sell these items to UK. I will select it from here. Now two products have selected. Now I will create the shipping zone for this profile. Create a shipping zone UK. You have to click here and select the Ukraine. United Kingdom is here. And done. Now you will have to set the rates for shipping to this zone. I'm going to name it UK ship and putting 1000 RS to this zone. Done. Now I have two profiles. One is journal profile. You have to save it before leaving. Now I have two profiles. One is journal profile and I have shipping zones Asia and Pakistan, and I have rates for these two zones. And I have another profile which name is UK and having only two products, having shipping zone and having rates for these zones. Now take a look on some other matter. Scroll down a little bit and you will find a processing time here which is inactive. I have to manage it and set some processing time here. Same business day, 2 days. I'm going to put it 2 days processing time. Go back and we'll do some other things. Here is the local delivery. If you are offering a local delivery, you have to click here. Location of first locality delivery using postcode. You have to put your postcode here. And you have to put prices here, delivery information here, and you can create the delivery zone, another delivery zone also. So setting it up, you have to save. Now go back and you can add the packages here. If your product have some specific packaging, you have to add package, name of package, box, envelopes or soft packages. You can put their length or weights depending upon the situation or depending upon your requirement. I have saved 2 packages. Here is the packing slip. You can edit your packing slips from here, and here is the carrier account. If you are using some third party for shipping, then you have to enable third party calculated rates at checkout. You have to upgrade it, your plan, like you are using FedEx, UPS and some other companies for shipping your products, then you have to upgrade your plan from here. And here is the customer order fulfillment. If you are going to do a drop shipping, then you have to put add fulfillment services and messages here. So this is the way to add shipping in your Shopify store. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.